How to adjust the column width of any cell or a column in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust the column width or the width of a particular cell in MS Excel. So as here you can see, I have this sample data right here, and in this tutorial I will be working on this particular data in order to show you. So for example, let's say we want to change the width of this particular column, that is the profit column. So let me show you how to do this. So simply move your cursor between the border of any two columns. In this case, I am moving it between the column B and C. And when this double headed arrow line appears between them, you can simply double tap and then move it towards the left hand side. And now you can notice that the column B has shrunk down in its width. Also, if you want to increase it, you can repeat the same steps, and once the double headed arrow appears, simply drag it towards the right hand side, and now you can see that the column width has been successfully increased. So that's how easily you can adjust the column width in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.